Hey, this is actually one that I tried to show last week, but I was having some issues with the third-party floppy emulator. So now, you probably can't see because of the TV, but nah, I've got all the settings manually tweaked. It's now on real floppies, and I switched computers to one that actually has a real floppy drive in it. So this is Robot Odyssey by the Learning Company, and it's an educational game in which you build and wire robots. So the real hardware, you all are seeing it faster because the emulator was slow to get picked up by Minicam, but it runs at about the same speed. I don't notice any glitches that aren't just part of the game. The main thing is this is just on real hardware. I have a real joystick. It works so much better with a real joystick. I mean, this is the hardware that is designed to be run on. This is actually an Apple IIc, which this is actually not my first computer, but it's the exact same model as my first computer. So, and I think I've got a couple parts from my first computer in this one. But yeah, this robot actually has the thrusters enabled. Let me pick it up and push it up against the wall and drop it. And you can see there's a bumper at the top, which is wired to the thruster on the right. Bumper on the left, wired to the thruster on the top. And I'm just going through the tutorial right now, so I haven't actually done anything with the robot other than charge its batteries. But, well, I mean, I can start out by actually just playing the game, because this is actually, there's more tutorial to this game than actual game. But, because it's got a lot of complex concepts, because there's all sorts of puzzles that you have to solve, and you'll see, there's a grabber, there's an antenna, there's bumpers on every side, there's thrusters on every side. There's a switch which I believe cuts off power to everything.